Today we're going to look at Cloudtrail. The process on AWS console is very simple, and Cloudtrail is a service that actually uses log to govern, audit, and monitor compliance on AWS console. So we are going to look at how you can set up a Cloudtrail. So I'll have to click on Cloudtrail. I'll come to the top left hand side to select a tray, and at this point I click on create. All I have to do is to put a name to the tray, and I'm going to create a new bucket. If it's an existing, you have to choose this option. This is the new bucket, and this is you can see the new bucket name by default. So I'm going to take away encryption, okay, so that it can be easily accessible without being encrypted, the content. So I'll move straight down. Everything is all optional. The other informations are all optional. I'll come down to next. I'm going to use the management event. So this is the event that will be stored as logged. So capture management operations performed on AWS resource. That is what I want, okay, as a log event. So everything is perfectly fine. I'll click on next. This is the review page. So I'm going to look at everything. There's no change. I'm good to go. I click on create. So at this point we are done, okay, with creation. So what I want us to look at is I'll duplicate this page and take a look at the S3 bucket we have created. So the log that is generated will go straight into the S3 bucket. So this is the S3 bucket, or directly from the log itself, you can see the S3 bucket here. You may just have to click on it directly. It takes you to your S3 bucket, exactly to the folder where the logs are. Now you can see we have two set of folder, okay. The first one is the Cloudtrail digest, and the other one is the Cloudtrail. So in this Cloudtrail, at the moment there's no information, so we give it a couple of maybe 2 minutes or 3. We'll see that there's a log, performance log, audit log, or governance log, or compliance log. From that, okay, which we have created, we come in here. So remember, it is management operations that we choose under the log events. So just give it a few minutes, we'll see the updates. Now if we take a careful look at the Cloudtrail, we can see there are logs that have been generated, 1, 2. So it keeps generating the management logs. Thank you so much. It is pretty much simple. Just tagging a name. Other informations are optional on the Cloudtrail. And once that is created, you specify what log, okay, that is being stored on the S3 bucket. And this is a very simple process. Thank you so much, and do have a great time.